Hi, I'm Mona, and this is Skindipity. This is a brand new YouTube channel geared towards the mature beauty community. So mostly for us older, maturing women who are dealing with all the signs of aging. So today what we're going to talk about is derma rolling. I think that some of you have probably heard of it before. Probably many of you have heard about it before. About, I guess in February, I really started thinking about it and looking into it and what it was and if it could possibly do what the claims say, which is stimulate your own collagen to increase. Which collagen is responsible for the sagginess or fullness of your skin. It's what we lose starting in our 30s at about 1% each year with age, which causes the drooping and the fine lines and the loss of elasticity that causes the sagginess and bagginess. It can also cause us to lose lip volume, cheek volume, and those kind of things. So I read up about it, and I didn't tell anyone, but I ordered a derma roller, and I just wanted to see for myself if maybe the claims were silly and ridiculous, or if maybe they might be true. So I started my own experiment. Now, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a skincare expert, but I have done lots of research, and I am somebody who has done it herself and has some real life experience to share. So instead of starting with my whole face, which you can do, I decided just to do a small experiment just dealing with my lips. My lips are almost non-existent. They're so small and they barely show up. To show somebody a shade of lipstick, I really have to go so you can see it. So I started with this 0.25 derma roller. There's little fine titanium needles on this roller, which goes back and forth. I picked the 0.25 because that is what is recommended for your lips. So what I did was I started once a week, and then I increased to twice a week because there's various studies on this that say that you have to give your skin time to repair in between uses. So my goal was to increase the collagen in my lips. And this video is about whether or not it worked. So after I tell you about this, I'll have a little clip of me actually showing you how to do the procedure. So currently I am using this device 3 times a week, right before I go to bed. You have to do it on a clean skin, a clean face, because you don't want to push any germs or anything into your skin. So I wash my face, I clean it off completely, I let it dry, and then I do the example, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. For about an hour after I derma roll, products that I want to absorb into my skin, like collagen, peptides, some of my creams, my vitamin C serum, things that I want to have better penetration into my skin, I want to apply in that hour immediately after derma rolling so that I can get maximum, penetration of the products into my skin. So for me, I've just been mostly on my lips, just using peptides. So the results were that I have noticed a substantial improvement in my lips in just that amount of time. I know some people who've been derma rolling for as long as 6 to 8 years, and their effects at stimulating collagen have been pretty tremendous if their claims are true, which I have no reason to doubt what they're saying. But for me personally, I can say, obviously, I don't have lip injection full lips, right, after this amount of time. But I have a bigger, plumper surface on which to apply my lipstick. It has definitely given me some results. So for, you can buy these $12 to $100 on Amazon or various places. There is a Dr. Pen that is about the $99 range, and I was thinking about purchasing that since I've had such good results with this, and trying it on these here and on my forehead wrinkles. But what I'm definitely going to do is purchase one of the Derma Rollers that has the bigger needles, and we can use this as my before picture to see if it's going to stimulate some differences here, here, and here. So I have some pictures to show that I will insert on top of this video, layer in, to see if you can tell the difference between my before and after lips. I'm just going to take a picture of my lips before I started the process, and we'll compare them to now. And like I said, the improvement is not huge. My lips are still on the small side, but because I have definitely noticed an improvement, and I'm going to keep on doing it, so we can check in again maybe in 3 months and see what the results are then, I thought I'd just share this little quick video with you guys, because it might be something that some of you mature ladies would be interested in trying too. For not having to pay for lip fillers and injections, I have at least more improvement than I would have had with nothing, right? So anyway, hopefully this video was of some interest to you. If you'd like to see more subjects like this, give it a thumbs up, press subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Okay, here we go with the demonstration part of the video, and we are going to start with a 0.25 Derma Roller. That's what I've been using on my lips and the skin right above my lips. So here we go. Pressing lightly, I'm going to crisscross motions about 5 or 6 times with each pass. And that's it. Easy peasy.